Hi guys. I know a lot of you have been struggling with creating content. You have the intention of becoming a content creator, you have big zeal, big ambitions of becoming a content creator and growing big online. But there is this spirit, this laid back spirit in you that has not always made you to take that your first move. Listen, a lot of people are in these same shoes. However, it is in your hands to take that one big bold step. You don't have to wait until you have all the big cameras. You don't have to wait until you have all the big gadgets, ring lights, softbox, iPhones, camera. You don't have to wait until you have all of these things. Even with your voice, without using the lavalier mic, without using any form of mic, you can get up and start your goal. Take the first step to achieving your goal. So, first of all, you need to first make up your mind to do what you want to do. You need to have a goal. So, if you have a goal, it is that goal that should push you to your final destination, even if there's no final destination in content creation. Content creation is an everyday thing that you do, there is no end to it. However, the aim is in your hands, and your starting point is what you should do to get to where you want to be. So if you've got a phone, of course I want to believe you have a phone, because for you watching this video, it means you have a phone or you have like a device. If you have something like a device that has a camera in it, and on that device you can speak, you can use the camera, then you are one step to achieving your goal. So what I'll need you to do is to set up that phone. Just put the phone somewhere, put the device somewhere where it will be very visible for you to be seen from the camera lens. So if you have done that, now it means I want to assume that you already know what you want to push out, what content, what type of content you want to push out, what video. Even if it's just an introduction video, just sit down in front of the camera and rumble, just talk. Just talk. When you finish talking, go back, play that video and watch yourself talk. When you watch yourself talk, I'm sure you'll be pleased with, oh, I've done this thing. That anxiety of, oh, how do I speak? How do I do this? Look at me. When I started this video, the video was not clear. This particular video I was making, that I made, this one you're watching, the first clip of this video wasn't clear. But I continue like that because I know I'm trying to push a content. I want to film the hair that I'm making. Even I don't have to wait for my house to be all put together. This my house is a a property I newly moved into. I had not even arranged my properties, my things in the house. Everywhere is just messy. But I had a client that I wanted to satisfy. I had a client whose needs I wanted to meet, and I didn't want to disappoint her. That's why I continued with servicing her and also bringing this content to you. So let me not digress to from the particular aim of this video. The aim of this video is to encourage you to start. Put your camera after watching that video that you have just done. Tell yourself what you think you would have done better. That is just your first video. I'm sure all this video, any video you make now, when you go back to watching your first videos after you must have grown in the content creation journey, you smile to yourself and say, oh, once upon a time I was like this, but I have grown. You see the pleasure, the satisfaction it gives you when you watch your throwback videos. It tells you how far you have grown, how much you have grown in doing what you are doing. Okay, so decide what platform you want to be pushing your content. Decide, oh, what type of content do I want to do? Is it a hair content like this? Is it a makeover content? Is it hair videos? Is it fashion? Is it cooking? Whatever type of video, whatever niche you want to do, decide that. Make a video doing that thing that you love to do. Don't do a video because so people are doing this thing, let me do it. You will stop doing it at some point because you don't have that zeal. Make sure you do something that you have passion for. So when you make the video, push it out to people that wants to see it. You have people out there that wants to see that thing you are doing. Don't hide it. No matter how it is, no matter how bad it may seem at the start, you will pick up, you will grow. So push that content. Encourage people to tell you what they feel. Get their feedback. ask them questions like, oh, this is my first video, what do you think about the video? Engage them. Oh, drop a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think in my on this first video that I have created. What type of content would you like me to share with you? This is my passion, this is what I love to do. Of all of these ones, what particular one are you most interested in? Ask questions so that they can share their feedback with you. Just like me now, I'm making this hair, and this hair is, I'm making it with extension, a wine color extension. So I can ask, will you like, is this a hairstyle you like to rock? Or I can ask the question like, okay, this color, is this a color you love? Or if you will not like to use this color, let me know in the comment section your best color, or your go-to color, one hair extension color that you love to use all the time, or that you love most. Would you like to go for a gold color? Do you think a gold color will fit this hairstyle more? Or what other color do you think would make this hair to pop? Get feedback from customers or from your viewers. Okay, so once you do that, just push the video and don't keep going back to the video to see, hey, one person have watched, hey, two people have watched. Don't do that, because you're going to get high blood pressure. Don't do that. Once you do your first video, if you have the time, go and do another video. But before you do all of these, I would like you, before you start all of these, if you have interest in maybe cooking, yeah, you can get content ideas on cooking. You can watch other people that does that same cooking type of video that you do. So if you've watched them, you see, oh, this is what they do. This is what I think they would have done. This is how I think they would have made this video better. If you have that in mind, that is where you now come in. Oh, this person did it this way, but I think it would have been better this way. When you now do that same video and do it in a way that you think would have been better, that is where you are coming in. You are closing the gap. Okay? And also, for that video that you watch, go through the comment section and hear what people have to say about the video. Take their feedback and infuse it in your own video when you are making your video. I'm sure if you do this, you grow faster than you think you would. Okay, so back to the content, back to this hair that I'm making now. Look at this hair now. So to me now, I started this hair from the front. Some people would like to start it from the back. So I can ask questions like, oh, this hairstyle, I started it from the front. However, people started from the back. Are you someone that would like to start this hairstyle from the front, start to make this hair from the front just like I've done? Or do you think making the back first will make you finish the hair faster? This is one call to action question that you can ask. This type of question will make people want to drop comments in your comment section. Okay, so like I was saying, I said that you should create content ideas around what you have passion for. Like maybe you say 20 content ideas on so niche. Then you know that, okay, you have enough content to create. After you make your first introduction video, this is what you want to do. It might not even actually be like a sit down video to explain. As you are doing your first introduction video, you can be cooking. This is what I'm doing. Hi, my name is this. Oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. They're already seeing that thing that you are saying you are doing, you want to be doing. So people that fancy what you do would connect to you. That is how to start. Take away every form of fear, take away every form of anxiety or shame. See, you know, when you are creating content in your house, you have just your camera with you. Your viewers are not actually there with you. So why are you shy? There's no other person there with you. It's just you and your camera. So are you assuming that your camera is a lot of people standing in front of you? If you do that, you will not create any content. Just assume, just tell yourself you are the only one here and you're just talking to yourself. Even if in your mind you feel like you're talking to people who are going to watch this video. But yeah, it is what it is. So guys, this is just me trying to encourage you to start that content creation ideas in your head. Okay, please, if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe so that you can see more of this type of interesting hair videos and encouragement from me to you. I will see you again. Bye.